Welcome to Patricia Delights, and today we are making tacos. Okay, now we're going to start by putting our hamburger meat into our pan. Sorry about that. I'm going to break the meat up. And I'm using 2 pounds of ground beef. And we're going to cook this on medium heat. And right now I'm going to add a little seasoned salt. You don't need much because the taco seasoning that we're going to add already has salt in it. And then I'm going to add some garlic powder, and all this gives it flavor. Onion powder, and black pepper. We're going to let this cook until it's all done. Now once the meat is browned, then we're going to drain the extra fat off, and we will put our taco seasoning in. Now we're going to drain the meat, and when we drain it, we're just going to put it into a colander and make sure it's metal because you have very hot oil going in there. And I'm draining into another pot, a metal pot. Now once it's drained, we're going to pour it back into our pan. Now we're going to go back to the stove. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to add about a half cup of green chili sauce. We're going to mix that in. A little mess. Then we're going to add a half cup of taco seasoning. I'm going to mix that in. And by the way, the green chili sauce that I add is just it's mild, it's not hot, so it's your choice on if you want taco meat to be spicy or if you want it to be mild. Okay, now we're gonna let that cook for, or just simmer on low for about 5 to 6 minutes, and then it'll be ready. And we're going to cover it. Okay, now that the meat is done, I'm going to start putting them into my taco shells. I made a little holder with aluminum foil because I don't have one of those little taco holders. So this works just as well. So I'm going to add my meat. Then I'm going to add some cheese. I have shredded cheddar. You want to use a different type of cheese, that's fine. Then I have some chopped white onion. I'm going to put sour cream on one and leave the other without. And you can see both tacos. One without and one with. And then I'm going to add a little of my favorite taco sauce. You add whichever taco sauce you like best. And here we go, our tacos. So now I'm gonna taste, well, I guess I taste the one with the sour cream. They're pretty healthy tacos. Very good. Have a lot of flavor. The green chili really adds to the meat, along with the other seasonings. So I hope you make these tacos, and I hope you enjoy them as much as I do. So thank you for joining me on Patricia Delights, and if you like this video, please subscribe. And I will see you next time. Bye. Thank you for joining me on Patricia Delights. I hope you enjoyed the show, and I will see you next time. Gotta go. Bye.